Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for Atchafalaya and East Coast Blanche Bays. Coastal waters from Intracoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intracoastal City, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 nautical miles north of Vermilion, 26 to 8 nautical miles north of Lower Atchafalaya River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 217, Marsh Island, Eugene Island 57, Eugene Island 24, Eugene Island 28, Vermilion Bay, Vermilion 31, West Coast Blanche Bay, Atchafalaya Bay, Eugene Island 30, Eugene Island 32, Vermilion 26, and Eugene Island 42. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Flood warning.